Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Today I'm doing a gutter cleaning in this this is a duplex. It's a good thing says just the back and front only. But I'll tell you, it's very full. It's very ugly. Look at this. There's some trees, oak trees growing already. See here, very full, and those are trees, oak trees glowing. So look at that. It's probably hard to come off. Yep, that's what it is right now. That's what I'm dealing with. You guys, you're a homeowner. You don't have to wait till that long to grow trees in your gutter because it'll be hard to clean and it's an expensive price. So you guys, so you're gonna keep your residence for 6 months gutter cleaning, and one yearly it's a required. My other 6 months supposed to be. Yep, and it's very hard. So alright guys, thank you for watching, and kasi thank you for following me Facebook, also known as Meta Southwest Softpost for your exterior cleaning needs. Also do solar panel cleaning. If you haven't had solar panel cleaning before, you have a homeowner have a solar panel, requirement is supposed to be like every 6 months per residence, and so it will clean the panel and pay much more convenient to work. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and please comment if you need to. Like I said, thank you for following my page and support. Thank you guys. Bye bye.